This problem is from thermodynamics and it covers the concept of adiabatic process and isothermal process. So 1 mole of an ideal gas has been given and this is initially at temperature Ta and volume V0. This gas undergoes adiabatic expansion so that the final temperature is Tf and the final volume is 5V0. Let's call this process is process A and this is the adiabatic process. Now another mole of same gas initially kept at temperature Tb and volume V0 undergoes isothermal expansion and finally this achieves again the same temperature, that is Tf, and the same volume, that is 5V0. So this is an isothermal process. Let's call this as B. So we have been given 1 mole of ideal gas and this process is a adiabatic process and this one is a isothermal process. The gamma is known. The gamma is basically ratio of a specific heat capacities at constant pressure and at constant volume. Then we have to find the ratio of Ta by Tb. So what is this value? Ta divided by Tb. So let us try to solve this problem. We can solve by considering this process and this process. So let us first consider process A. This is a adiabatic process. And if you remember, the equation of an adiabatic process is given by Pb raised to the power gamma. This is equals to constant. You can also rewrite this equation in a different form if you use ideal gas equation, that is Pv equals to nRT. Then you can rewrite this equation, that is Tb raised to the power gamma minus 1. This is equals to constant. So this is again an adiabatic process. So what this means? This means in this process the product of temperature and volume raised to the power gamma minus 1 is always constant. That is this point, this point, this point, and all the points this product is constant. So I can find the product at this point and then I can equate. At initial point this is Ta and the volume is V0 and this is raised to the power gamma minus 1. Final point, temperature is Tf and volume is 5V0 raised to the power gamma minus 1. Let's call this as equation 1. Now we can consider process B. This is a isothermal process. In case of isothermal process, temperature is constant. This means this is temperature Tb, at this point also temperature is Tb, at this point temperature is also Tb. So here also I will add temperature Tb. So we can equate, so I can write Tb equals to Tf, that is initial temperature is equals to final temperature. Now we have this equation and this equation, that is equation 1 and equation 2. Using these two equations we have to find this ratio. Now what I can do is I can plug Tf in equation 1 from equation 2. So equation 1 becomes, this is same but Tf is equals to Tb, so I can write Tb times this value. Now if I take Tb this side, left hand side, so this will be Ta by Tb and this goes right hand side. So this will become 5V0 divided by V0 raised to the power gamma minus 1, that is 5 raised to the power gamma minus 1. So for this problem, the ratio of Ta by Tb is equals to 5 raised to the power gamma minus 1. So I hope you enjoyed this problem. This was really simple problem. And if you like my videos, please share with your friends, like on my channel and subscribe to my channel. I will see you in the next video. Thank you.